Took a great shot with your smartphone, but the photo came out grainy? It's the digital noise that obscures details and makes your picture appear significantly worse. Fortunately, PhotoWorks can save your ruined image. Open your photo in the program. Switch to the Tools tab and click Noise Reduction. The software will automatically zoom in some fragment of your image so that you can better see all the changes. If you want to take a closer look at some other area, click the icon and place the mouse pointer over the desired fragment of your photo. Now, let's get rid of those strange-looking pixels. Move the Amount slider to the right to smoothen the image. If your image looks too blurry now, switch to the Enhancement tab and adjust the clarity setting. Hit the Before/After button to compare the result with the initial photo. You can transform any photo in the same way. Noise is a common problem of low-light pictures, so let's try to fix it in PhotoWorks. Click the plus button at the bottom to zoom in the area heavily affected by noise. Once again, drag the Amount slider to the right and see the photo change in front of your eyes. As a rule, 10 to 20 points are enough to restore a natural look. Now, the photo looks perfect. Want to improve your pictures? Download PhotoWorks and let it take good care of your ruined shots.